Hi everybody, welcome back to Ox Talks. Thanks for watching the show today. Just doing the show Monday morning, mid-morning here on the West Coast from Newport Beach, California. Still down here, heading back to the desert here in a couple hours. And I just thought I would just do a quick video and check in. My family ended up coming down for about a day and a half to see me. So I was unable to get videos up yesterday and Saturday. Spent time with them, taking walks, playing some basketball here at the beach and some volleyball. Got to see my sister yesterday afternoon for the Super Bowl. She lives down here. It's good seeing her. So anyway, just wanted to say hello. A lot going on. The market's about 3 hours from the close right now. Stock markets are looking pretty good. Didn't know how the news last night that Trump announced as of today he's going to impose tariffs on steel. I believe aluminum also coming into the United States. I think he said 25%. So, I didn't know how the markets would take that. I will tell you what is skyrocketing right now is the price of gold. Gold is up last few minutes ago, Kitco, about $44 an ounce. I saw it up almost $50 an ounce earlier today. Guys, I saw some stuff over the weekend from, these gold guys, Peter Schiff. He was out saying, look, I've been telling you to get gold since it was $1,000. Now it's going to be hitting $3,000 soon. That's going to keep going. Who knows? That's not investment advice, but it's high right now, right? People hate, I know people hate to buy things at the top. I'm not telling you to buy anything. I don't have any links here or sponsors for the channel, but you may want to consider putting some gold in your portfolio. So physical gold and certainly physical silver is a long way to catch up. Anyway, let me just show you quickly here what I'm seeing. Beautiful view. I'm right at the water's edge here today. Sorry if the camera's shaky, but that is the picture of right here, front and center. Newport Beach. So tariffs on steel and aluminum, it's causing some jitters certainly in the global markets. That's why I think gold is going up. The 10-year is right around 4.48%, something like that, still holding below 4.5%. Couple of stories I saw this morning economically I want to share with you. McDonald's, and this is tough. Again, it's another sign, it's another bellwether for how strapped low and middle income folks are in this country. McDonald's earnings came out. What they said is their global sales rose by 0.4%, but their sales in the United States, U.S. sales dropped by 1.4%, which they said was very, very concerning because a big portion of McDonald's revenues is derived from United States sales here in the United States. But what does that mean? I mean, McDonald's has been trying to, let's say, cajole and coax lower income folks to come back with meal deals and all this kind of stuff. And it's not working. It's not working. Why is it not working? It's not working because consumers in this country, especially lower and middle income consumers, are literally cash strapped. The fact that they cannot afford to go to McDonald's now is a very telling sign of where things are heading in this country, okay? So McDonald's earnings basically fell short in the United States. So you guys leave your comments below. Let me know, what you think about that. I think it's sad. Another story I saw just a little while ago on Zero Hedge was the number, it talks about the housing market. And they're saying the percentage now of people that have mortgages at 6% or higher has risen to almost 18% now in this country. So almost 18% of people have mortgages that are over 6%. Okay, bought into this this situation, and now they are making substantially large payments on their mortgages, plus their taxes, plus their insurance. Okay. So I have a bulldozer going behind me now, so sorry for the noise. I guess poor timing, but that's what happens when we're doing these videos. So I'll show you the ocean while the bulldozer goes behind me. I apologize for the noise. But look at we still have a major lock-in effect right now, guys. Major lock-in effect because the other 3% of people, right, have mortgages that are, under 6%, right? And so for those folks, they are locked in because what are they going to do? They can't replace their mortgage that they have right now, sub 6%. Mortgages are closer to 7%, may not be coming down drastically anytime soon. So that's one reason why the housing market in this country is so screwed up, because people are not going to, unless they're literally going to sell their house for cash, pay off their debt, and rent somewhere, they're not going to sell into a higher mortgage, higher payment. All right, just doesn't make smart financial sense. So we have a crisis brewing, continuing to brew with the housing market. We have consumers that cannot afford a Happy Meal any longer. We have worldwide geopolitical events that are unfolding very quickly with the tariffs and with clamping down by the Trump administration. So, a lot to pay attention to right now, okay? And I hope that you guys, by the way, I was walking along the boardwalk the other night with my family. I think it was on Saturday afternoon, and there was a group of guys sitting out at one of the beachfront houses. And one of the guys jumped up and recognized me from the show, said he loves watching the show, enjoys the content, and he enjoys me mentioning at the end of the videos, usually, and I haven't been as consistent lately, about physical fitness and getting your physical fitness regimen, keeping it consistent, getting those steps in. And we kind of had a laugh. We shook hands. I told him I appreciate him watching the channel, and I hope that you guys do take that to heart. Health is wealth. We discuss it all the time. I've been getting my steps in down here. Going to get back to my workout this evening, my regular routine with my group when I get back to town. But guys, we've got to become, a healthier nation. Maybe it's a good thing that people can't afford Big Macs and Happy Meals and supersized French fries anymore, because maybe they'll start taking their health more seriously. That stuff is, fast food and fried foods, things like that. I'm not going to lecture you guys. You know what I'm talking about. So I won't go too long today. Watch that gold price. We're going to be screaming pretty close to $3,000 an ounce here pretty quickly. Cryptos have really been kind of consolidating and trading sideways to a little bit down the last few days. We'll see if cryptos can get any wind in their sails in the next couple of weeks and start to take the next leg up. We will see. Again, I appreciate you guys. Have a fantastic start to your week, and get those steps in. Stay healthy, and I'll talk to all of you very soon. Okay, bye.